All right, everybody, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to Tennessee. We got back just a little bit ago from Alaska and it is hot. So excuse me if throughout this video I start sweating through my shirt because we have no AC here in the garage. That's something I've got to change sometime in the future once we win some tournaments. But anyways, what I wanted to talk about today, I'm doing some reviews on some of the new products from Z-Man. I came home to this box that was filled to the brim with new stuff that they came out with and introduced it at ICAST this year. And so I wanted to kind of go through them. And I already did a video on the ChatterBait Elite Evo HD, which is the heavy duty version of the Evo line that I'm really excited about. I think that is something that we've definitely needed in the ChatterBait lineup, is one that you can fish with braid and be fully confident that you're not gonna bend that hook or lose the whole rig because the snap fails under that sort of pressure. So really excited about that one. But today I want to talk about this baby right here, ChatterBait PZ2. And of course the PZ stands for Project Z. You guys are probably already aware of the Project Z chatterbaits out there that they introduced many years ago. I mean, we were still filming Sweetwater back when they introduced Project Z line. And the Project Z line, even back then, had some different qualities to it. It had more of a conical, more like swim jig type of head design. It's a little bit more hydrodynamic. It easily goes through cover. And then they also had a specific clip, which they've, of course, both of those things they've actually transferred over to this PZ2, but they had a clip on there that was very different than the traditional egg-shaped clip that you would find on a chatterbait. Let me find one. Like on the jackhammer or the Evos, the traditional Evo, they've got that egg-shaped clip, or just the regular, I'll call it a crankbait clip. Or snap that they had on like the original ones back in the day. So the Project Z had this style right here, okay, which is, this is just pretty much the signature of the Project Z, in my opinion, is that very unique clip that is not ever going to open up. It's super heavy duty. And so, yeah, it's one that you're just not going to have to worry about at all opening up on a big fish. But this is the PZ2. As you can see, other than the clip, you've got that really streamlined head design that's very similar to like a swim jig, very much so. In fact, it's almost exactly the same. So this is the new Evo swim jig, and the head design is very similar. So that is something that you expect from the Project Z. It comes through cover extremely well, so it's a great bait for fishing around grass specifically. I don't think it's one of my favorites for fishing around wood, to be completely honest, unless you're fishing like the weedless version of the original Project Z's. And the reason for that is that it's a little bit narrower of a head, so it tends to it'll tend to roll a little bit with harder cover. But with vegetation, it comes through that grass very easily. And they specifically designed this to have a lot of blade to head contact, which is something that we always are looking for. That's going to increase the overall sound profile, create more sound because that blade's banging into that lead head. And also you've got that erratic action that comes from that blade hitting that head. So you get that hunting action that's really important. As far as the other components of this, the way that they don't have a wire tied skirt on this, but it has something very similar. It's kind of like a band that creates a really nice billow. So you can see that doesn't flatten out. It's like it billows really nicely. It kind of flares that skirt material out just like a wire tied skirt would do. But it's not quite wire tied. I'll see if I can show you guys what it's dealing with. So a very unique collar there. The keeper on this is a molded lead kind of ribbed design here. That's going to hold Elastec or traditional plastics really well. And then the hook is a heavy duty 5/0 hook. It's not as thick of a wire, gauge wire, as the Project, or the Evo HD. That's the hook on the Evo HD. But very, very strong hook overall on this. And look at how aggressive that barb is. That barb is huge. I could stick my fingernail under the whole thing. That is pretty crazy how big that barb is. So that is something to me that is really important, you know, to you know, keep those fish hooked up. So I really like the fact that they've got a huge barb on there. But overall, I think that this particular bait, and I might be wrong, I just went on Tackle Warehouse and I saw 10 different colors of this. And of course, it's going to be coming in 3/8 ounce and 1/2 ounce. I don't think it comes in anything heavier than 1/2 ounce yet, but let's see. Yeah, just 3/8 and 1/2 ounce as of right now. And it's at a really, really good price point. Really low, $7.99 for these chatterbaits. So like compared to even the Evo, but definitely the Jackhammer, this is a really, really good value. It has great components, lots of great colors, works excellent. You know, I've always loved the Project Z chatterbait line, and you get it for $7.99. So it's like half that of, you know, the Evos or something like that. So man, I really like this chatterbait. I'm going to put links down below for the PZ2. Go check it out. It's going to work with any trailer that you already like to fish on a chatterbait, and it is one of the best to fish around real thick, heavy vegetation. So check it out. Down below, got the links. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, share, subscribe. I'm going to see you out in the water. Check out some of these other videos that we're going to do on the new Z-Man baits. See ya.